Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a hard look at Ecomi. Ecomi is definitely one of those coins that a lot of you guys enjoy and believe in, so we will continue to look back at Ecomi and see and check out the progress along along the way. So right now we have Uniswap coming, and it's dropping in 6 hours on Uniswap. You'll be able to get Ecomi a lot easier, obviously, for, a lot of people don't have some of the exchanges that it's currently on. So getting it on Uniswap is going to be a big deal. And obviously we see the price kind of reflect that. Within the last 24 hours, we see that 18% increase. If we go to the last week alone, we do see that 29.83% increase. We have it at about, 0.0126, so about a penny and a quarter right now. If we go to the last month alone, we do see a 420% increase overall, and we're going to see this huge price increase become with a a huge increase here. We have a stabilization, another huge increase, and then we have a decrease. Kind of a little bit of a stabilization before another increase, and now a decrease into a huge stabilization yet again. So a lot of movement on the price chart alone. Obviously, the most recent 24 hours had a lot to do with Ecomi coming to Uniswap in 6 hours. A lot of people are excited to get in Ecomi for the first time. I think a lot of people are not invested right now in they're not invested in Ecomi because it's coming to Uniswap and they're waiting for that drop. So I think the price will definitely increase with Uniswap being featured. So if we take a look at right now, the market cap's at 2.1 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours sitting at 65.3 million. And we have that circulating supply at 166.3 billion OMI. OMI is, like I said, one of those coins we take a look at quite a lot because of the vision behind OMI and what it all entails. So I think there will be a very big price increase coming up with OMI because of a few different reasons. But let's, before we go over the price predictions for April, May, and 2021, let's take a look at the VV website and Ecomi website overall. So here we're on the Ecomi website. Nothing really displayed on here, just talks about the secure wallet as well as the VV premium licensed digital collectibles. And then you talk about how VV is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With VV, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in their virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles with other VV users, all from the palm of their hand. So if you go over to visit website, obviously you can see here it does say actually where the token is available. You can get it on Ascend EX, Bitforex, and then obviously coming soon is that uniswap.org. So if we go to view the actual VV digital collectibles website itself, this is where we're going to see where Ecomi is really making themselves known. So this premium digital collectibles, they have a lot of good partners right now alongside things like Adventure Time. We have things like Jurassic Park, Superman, Batman. There's just a lot of big names right now, and a lot of big names coming. A lot of rumors about things like the NFL, Pokemon, and I believe they said stuff about Marvel as well. So we'll see if those rumors come true. Hopefully that's the stuff that they will continue to let us know if they're really coming or not. So you can see whether you love pop culture, gaming, sports, film, TV, or anime and animation, VV offers digital collectibles from your favorite brands, including Batman's Adventure Time, Monster Hunter, NFL, DC collectibles, Star Trek, Jurassic Park, Fast and Furious, Back to the Future, Ultraman, Superman, and so much more. So they do talk about some of their main ones as well as some other collectibles that they also have on the VV app. If you actually want to download the VV app, you can get it on Google Play, and you can also download it on the App Store as well. But they talk about the virtual showrooms, so collectors can actually display their collections in these showrooms, and you can actually walk around them, FPS game style, or bring your showrooms to life in augmented reality and physically walk through them on your phone or tablet, which is also really a cool idea. If a lot of people right now still don't believe in these NFTs and they still don't believe in what's coming, the one thing I will say is NFTs are here to stay. I don't think they're leaving anytime soon. So definitely, you may want to jump on this before it's too late if you think VV is one of those that is here to stay as well. Obviously, not every NFT app or every NFT site is going to be big. However, if you find the one that is going to, maintain the biggest audience, you're going to make probably a lot of profit on that security. So let's take a look at the price chart again. I will say, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I will never give financial advice, so always do your own research. And then I also want to let you guys know, if you want to join a Discord full of crypto people like yourself, you can actually do so in the description of this video. You can click the link and join our Discord community. You can also follow me on Twitter there and get the most recent up-to-date tweets by me, and I also retweet other tweets that I deem important. Sorry, there we go, is the word. So if you want to do such things, you can definitely follow me there and join our Discord community. Right now, we do see, like I said, OMI at that 0.0126. Let's give it a refresh, make sure that's the most recent price. Obviously, it's going to move up and down, considering it just did in about 60 seconds. It moved up about 0.0002. So we're now at that 0.0124, and we're seeing still that 15.4% increase in the last 24 hours. So still a very positive. I think with this Uniswap drop, we're going to see probably a spike into a decrease. I think a lot of people already did buy quite a bit of Ecomi, trying to benefit on the short-term gains. So we'll see what actually happens. I think the a lot of the price is currently built into that Uniswap drop. However, I do see in the long term Ecomi continuing to increase. So let's get right into the price predictions for April. So first off, April I think is going to be a big month for a lot of altcoins. Obviously, Ecomi is not going to be one that kind of skips and misses out. I think Ecomi will make its way close to that, probably 0.016 mark by the end of April. I think we will see an all-time high around that 0.017 mark, however, maybe 0.0175 around that range. But I definitely see Ecomi continuing to grow. Obviously, any big announcements like, any big collectibles dropping as well, like, if NFL or Pokemon or like we said, Marvel gets involved and we start seeing those collections drop, we're probably going to see much higher increases than my predictions here. This is just more of a gradual predictions, as if these updates and information drops at a slow rate throughout 2021. I do think that May is going to be a very big month. I think a lot more will be dropping by May. A lot of more information will be out there as well. They'll be giving us more information, hopefully, on their projects and updates to come. I think Ecomi could easily reach that 2 cents range by that point. By the end of May, I definitely see us in that 2.5 pennies as a potential all-time high. I think we could definitely be stabilizing above 2 pennies going at the end of May for sure. By the end of 2021, this is going to be the big one. Obviously, a lot of people believe, Ecomi will be, 100x potential here, and I don't think it's a 100x potential. I guess I should say it's 100x potential. However, I don't see it happening. I don't see a 100x happening in 2021. That's for sure. I see Ecomi continuing to increase. However, 100x is quite a ways away, and I think a realistic price prediction for Ecomi would be 5 to 10 cent range. If we could get in that 5 to 10 cent range, I'd be happy. I would, that's what I expect. I think Ecomi is maybe a 6 to 7 cent coin by the end of 2021, with the high possibility of being around that 10 cent range as an all-time high, depending on when this news all drops and how much hype builds around Ecomi. Right now, that volume in the last 24 hours is sitting at 66.3 million, which is a fairly low volume to have, definitely in a coin with this much hype built around it. So I do expect Ecomi to continue to increase over the next, like I said, year and even year or two. I think it'll continue to increase, definitely with NFTs becoming more and more popular as less skeptical people are, a lot of people are going to realize, they can't be skeptics forever. They're going to have to either start investing or they're going to just have to ignore it. And when that happens, I think a lot more people will be converted over to accepting NFTs as collectibles, and they'll be wanting to get into the market themselves. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, everyone seemed to be skeptics at first, and NFTs are continuing to boom. So Ecomi is in a fairly good spot right now. If you guys like this video, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree with my price predictions. Also, let me know in the comments if you think Ecomi is going to continue to be big, and if you heard the same rumors as me about the NFL, and then the Pokemon, obviously, and then obviously the Marvel as well. Let me know if you guys are excited for Ecomi, if you guys actually, go into the VV app itself and collect yourself. I would like to hear about your collections if you have done so, or if not, why not? Thank you guys. I can't thank you enough. You guys have been awesome. We're above that 25K subscriber mark. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on so you can get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you guys for all of the awesome support. I'll see you all in the next video.